Karajal Adlaw. I am Alfredo M. Coro II, Mayor of the Municipality of Del Carmen, Siargao Islands, in the Philippines. We extend our gratitude to ICLEI for their continuing work in providing opportunities to local governments and local leaders to connect, engage, and be heard on the global stage. In Del Carmen, we got to appreciate replicable programs that can be done in our town, especially in addressing environmental concerns and actions to address climate change impacts. Our efforts in Del Carmen and Siargao Islands transformed Siargao from an unknown island in the Philippines to become the #1 island destination in Asia through collective efforts of the local government, the people, and the business community. As a member of the ICLEI Global Executive Committee, I am committing to be an enabler for other local governments, especially island and coastal ecosystems around the equatorial region of the planet, where the highest concentration of biodiversity exists. Many of our local governments and leaders need to be inspired from the policies and programs to develop solutions adequate for their communities in providing access to easily understandable policies, processes, and technologies. We can support the sustainable development and inclusive growth of local governments. If we were able to do it, so can everyone else. Collectively, I know if we continue to do this, it will be through local governments that we will allow better dialogues, better cooperation, leading to better outcomes for our planet and for humanity.